Well, seeing I almost pulled the cam out, I'm going to not take it out completely. There's no real need. I'm going to put some oil on the bearings and the bushings. I'm going to use this, I always use this Lucas heavy duty oil stabiliser. It seems to be nice and sticky, and it's good for start-ups, you know what I mean? So we can get that under the journals there, and then we're very carefully going to manipulate that back into the bearings, and they should lubricate themselves up again. There we go. You know, the worst part of working on your own when you get into this type of stuff, you're forever looking at the damn camera and you can't see where it's moved. So let me get the plate. So there's our retainer plate, and it's held on by two bolts that we put in here. So we're just going to put a little bit of our oil stabiliser on the face of this. You can't go wrong with these because you can put them on either way around. There. That's alright. And now, we'll put a little bit of Loctite on these bolts because we don't want these coming off, and they're only small. I think what we'll do after this, we'll put all the cams and cam followers in, which we've done so many times I'm getting a bit fed up of doing it. Now, a good thing to do to stop you running backwards and forwards, to make a printout of all the torques on this block. Alright, so we want camshaft thrust plate to cylinder block 7 to 10 Newton meters. That's all she's getting. This torque wrench doesn't make a lot of noise, but you can feel when it's giving. That's good. Now, just for fun, we're going to put this nut back in here, this bolt. Wind down our torque wrench, as you should do. And then we're going to have a look. I think we'll put the cam followers in, because that will stop the cam from jumping about. Yeah, if you can recall, we had put everything in little Ziploc bags with numbers on, so this is going to make life a lot easier, because they're all in the same order that they came out in. So all we need to do is lubricate this on the outside just a bit. Just lubricate it, and the little hole here goes that way. That's easy because that's where your bolt goes to. And just drop that in just nicely, snugly like that. The next thing we're going to do is take our roller. Now, just be warned about these things. If these are the original ones and they're beautiful condition, the aftermarket ones many years ago, they used to go like threepenny bits. They used to have lots of little hexagon. It was like a big hexagonal thing, or dupli, I don't know, like a socket type thing. And the metal wasn't very good, and the cam just used to wear them flat, and then it used to wear this piece out, and then the whole shebang was buggered. But the original ones were the best, so we won't replace those. So we're going to drop that in, and put a little bit of oil on. Drop that in. Like that. Now, as many of you know, these little things are marked with an F here. You see? F. F for front. I have never worked out yet why that is the front. To me they look absolutely identical, I can't work them out why they're different. They look completely symmetrical, but we're going to put them in the same way. And then we'll put a little bit more down, like that. Can't put enough oil in. Then we need the bolt, and we check on our list here what the cam follower, does it say camshaft thrust pliers? What would these? Tappet guide retaining screw right down at the bottom, 13 to 15 newton meters, and a little bit of Loctite on it, because there's no copper washers on these. They used to, in the old days, they used to put a wire. They've done away with that, and then they used to put washers on. Now they don't even bother, they just put them Loctite straight on them. And what you've got to do now is line up the hole. We can bring this up, because I had it too far down before. Bring it up and put it on like that. I have never known those leak oil, and I've never known them come out. So there we go. What did I say it was? 13 to 15. It isn't much. Don't put them down with a gun.